So we're gonna tell a little story.
Oh my.
The fire sale. Literally.
Literally fire sale.
I don't want to be in here anymore.
Like, I think everyone who walks in it is gonna like the floor plan of it.
We have like only 30 days on it, which is good because it's only like a lipstick flip.
Yeah, welcome to your lipstick flip. It's an American-made car right there.
So we purchased it. We bought it sight unseen.
One of my favorite things to do in a property is write scriptures on the studs. I want to bless the house through and through.
I want to pray over the house and just pray over all the people that are coming through here. Whose idea was that?
It was yours, Justin. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. You have to stay in character.
You need to not break wind.